Hey there, CreativeSarah here, and I have another DIY for you. This time we're going to use the Grateful Heart stencil from Chalk Couture and this gorgeous beaded oval frame. I'm taking some of the nominee chalk paste and with a paintbrush, a dry brush, I'm just painting using the nominee color all over. This is a gorgeous, beautiful metallic gold color, and so it paints on beautifully. If you want to get the supply list for this project, all you have to do is comment the word grateful, GRATEFUL, into the comments, and I will send you a message. So check your messenger with a link with all of the supplies. This is going to wait till you see how cute it turns out. I just love it. If you're new to me and just checking out my videos for the first time, go ahead and comment VIP. I'll send you a message with a link where you can join my free DIY and crafting group. You'll get more ideas, inspiration, and insider information. So here you can see I laid the stencil down after fuzzing it, and I squeegeed the nominee chalk paste across the top of the oval, and I'm just drying it here for a great finish, and I'm going to put that back into the frame, and oh my goodness, it's so pretty for fall and for your Thanksgiving decor. Make sure you like and follow my page for more decor.